Muscles. Except for thinking, everything we do depends on our muscles. Muscles allow us to sit, move, talk, write, read, breathe, and even digest our food. A muscle is a bundle of elastic tissue which becomes shorter and thicker when it gets a signal from our nerves or hormones. There are three kinds of muscle: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscles are also called voluntary muscles because we can control their movement when we want to. These muscles vary in size and strength, from the small muscles around our eyes to the large, strong muscles of our thighs. They are attached to the bones of our skeleton, and each muscle can move a part of the body in a certain direction. Even quite simple actions, such as kicking a ball or smiling, require several muscle groups to work together. Smooth muscles are in most of the body's internal organs. For example, smooth muscles in our stomach move food through our digestive system. Tiny muscles in our eyes make the pupil bigger or smaller when the light is bright or dark. All smooth muscles contract and relax automatically without us needing to think about it, and so they are called involuntary muscles. The third group, cardiac muscles, are only in the walls of the heart. These muscles contract and relax automatically in a powerful, regular rhythm to pump blood around our body. Our heart beats about 70 times a minute, every single minute of our lives, without ever resting.